If you are new to Microsoft Teams, this is going to provide you just a brief overview on what you are going to notice when you go in. So over on the left is the navigation panel. At the top, you'll see all of your activity. This is all the new changes, notifications, or messages that have been signed out to you recently. So if you go below that is a chat feature. This will allow you to send an individual private message to anyone within your organization. You can think of this as kind of an up-to-date instant messenger. If you go to your teams, you're going to see a grid of all of your teams. And so for educators, this is going to be your classes. It can be a club or even a group of individuals like a committee, guidance office, whatever the case. And then when you click it, now the information is specific to that group of people. So when you go in, you can put out posts, and this is very much like Facebook. You're going to post out information that everybody can see. You have a place for files that are common for this group. Everybody can access them and edit them, which is the default setting. You have a notebook that you can use for collaboration purposes and sharing of information. And then you have this plus sign. So you can add any tab that you would like. You can embed other Microsoft applications to that tab or any website. So if you have a resource that you use, you can add that right here so that students have easy access. They can just simply click and go, which is especially helpful for younger learners. If we go back to the left, we have an area that's going to pull in all of the assignments that have been assigned across all of the teams. So this is kind of like an umbrella for all of the assignments. However, if students want to just look at their assignments that are specific to a class, when they go into the specific team, you'll notice you have assignments at the top as well. These are assignments specifically from this teacher. The calendar is wonderful. It syncs with the Outlook calendar. And when you click and look at an event, you will see there's at the time of the event, there will be a join button and you can join the Teams meeting. From the calendar, you can also schedule meetings either at this time or in the future. You could add in the required attendees, and anyone you add, that meeting will show up on that person's calendar to join when it's time. There is a call area so that you can call individuals and have one-on-one video conferences. And then of course there's a files tab that connects to your OneDrive and you can access any of your saved files. So Teams has been a hub for all of the other Microsoft Office applications to live, and it is a wonderful tool to use within your organization to stay organized and share information.